I'm excited to go over some XRP price, doing a technical analysis, along with some Ripple news we have today. Make sure to stick around to the very end because 99% of you guys are going to fall for the trap. With that said, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for daily XRP analysis. This is DC Trading. Let's get right into it. Now, looking at the price is sitting around 41 cents. It's up 3.7% today, which is good, with a market cap of $20 billion, which is up 3.9% today. But if we take a closer look at the charts, right here, we finally sort of broke above this right now, as you guys can see, but on a low volume, which is very concerning, guys. We managed to pump to 41 cents with low volume. This is dangerous, and we need to be careful right now because this can easily get rejected and, dip back down to the 37 cents at any moment. So if we take a closer look right here at this on the weekly time frame, it looks very different as well. It looks like we have 3 green candles, and it looks like it's going to make a push to the 41 cents and possibly all the way up to 44 cents by the end of this week, as you guys can see. And the RSI is sitting around 51, so it does have enough strength to push up to 44 cents, possibly 50 cents. As you guys can see right here, we have the first major resistance we need to break through, which is the 41 cents, and then the next one is the 44 cents, because volume right here between these two resistance is very low. So if we manage to break through this, it will easily go up to 44 cents. And then the next major resistance is 44, and then the ultimate one, which is the one we all are waiting for, is a 55 cent XRP, guys, right here. If it manages to push up, I do believe we have a chance, just because the RSI on the weekly time frame is still low. It's not overbought, so we do have a good chance to pump to 55 cents. Now looking at the EMA tells us a lot of stuff. It tells us if we're in a bull market, bear market, or if we are heading into a reversal. Well, what do we see on the weekly time frame? Let's first take a look on the daily time frame. If we take a look, right now it is clear. The EMA 20, yes, EMA 20 and the EMA 55 have crossed, meaning on the daily time frame, we are heading into a reversal right now. As you guys can see, it did manage to pump earlier yesterday. It was sitting around 38 cents, and then it managed to pump all the way up to 41 cents, and this thing just crossed today, which is very important because in the next few days we will see what happens. As I said, by the end of this week we may see a 44 cent XRP. Now looking at the weekly time frame, what do we see here? This will ultimately tell us if we're in a bull or bear market or reversal. Right now we're still in the bear market. As you guys can see, the 55 EMA is still on top and has not crossed with the EMA 20. And it looks like we're going to be testing very soon the EMA 35, which is around the 44 cents. As I said, that's the next level of resistance we need to break through and we need to test. If we take a look at the EMA 55, that is around the 50 cents. So if we easily pump to 55 cents, guys, this means we are headed for a reversal. So make sure to pay attention, guys, right now, because please do not fall for the trap right now, because many people are saying we're bullish, but according to the charts, we're still not bullish right now because we need a 50 cent XRP to be considered in a reversal. So please don't fall for the trap, guys, because 99% of you guys are going to fall for it. But taking a look at Bitcoin now. Bitcoin, if it continues to pump, as you guys can see, well, this may help the altcoin XRP pump to 44 cents this week. As you guys can see, the next level of resistance, like major resistance for Bitcoin, is sitting around 24 to 25,000 right here, the EMA 55. As you guys can see, we broke through the EMA 35, which was 22,500. If we take a look right here, it looks like in the next few hours, possibly by tomorrow, we're going to see a $24,000 to $25,000 Bitcoin, which is amazing, guys. Yes, this will ultimately help the price of XRP pump Because if you take a look right here, the volume is very low, as I said before. And the reason probably why it pumped all the way up to 41 cents is because of the Bitcoin price heading to 23,000. Yes, that's just the truth about altcoins. They do follow the price of Bitcoin, but as of lately, XRP has not really followed Bitcoin. It has been doing its own thing, but for some reason it did pump even with low volume, which is why this is kind of indicating that it was following Bitcoin just a little bit, guys, just a little bit, not fully. But what we need to look out for, as I said, is if we push through the 41 cents, we should expect a 44 cents very soon. Look on the weekly time frame. It looks like it is testing it right now. It got rejected on the weekly time frame, as you guys can see. But we should be, we should be testing it later on today or heading in tomorrow, guys, because the price of Bitcoin is heading to the $24,000-$25,000 resistance. Now that we went over that, we're going to go over some Ripple news, which is very important. As you guys know, the Ripple versus SEC case is still not over. But as you guys can see by the article, the lawsuit could be resolved by June. Yes, there was reports saying that the SEC and Ripple attorneys were meeting, talking, we don't know about what, but we can spectate. It's probably about the case. And yeah, so if we take a look right here, Ripple CEO Brad expects the firm's long-running dispute with the U.S. Security Exchange Commission will be finalized within single-digit months and remains confident in securing a favorable outcome. So they're probably negotiating right now and settling, seeing who gets what happens. That's probably what the meeting was about, to be honest. And he was, the CEO was speaking on CNBC at the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland. And he said that the verdict could come as soon as June, now that both parties have fully filed and fully briefed their arguments before the U.S. District Court. And it says right here, we expect a decision from a judge certainly in 2023. You don't really have control over when a judge makes their decisions, but I'm optimistic that sometime in the coming single digits, we'll have closure there. So yes, guys, according to the CEO, the case is almost over. He's predicting by June, the latest. What do you guys think in the comments? Is it over? Is XRP going to settle, or is XRP going to win? To be honest, we need XRP to win if we want an XRP price of $1 right now in this bear market. But as of right now, we must wait patiently because it can happen at any moment. It can happen tomorrow, today. It can happen within an hour, maybe right now. We don't know, guys. But make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with XRP news. With that said, peace.